Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will learn how to make circle with the help of CSS. If we have some elements on our web page like div or span and we want to convert that elements into circle, then how we can do that? We'll learn that today. Let's jump into the code. I will do one thing. I will create a div tag here, empty div tag. We have to convert this div tag into a circle. I will create a class here. I will give it a name circle, and I will apply this class to this div. We will give some width and height here. Say for example, width is 100 pixel, height is 100 pixel, and we will give a background color to say red. I will run it once in the browser. This is how it looks right now. Now we will add another one div here, copy of this. I will again refresh the page. So currently there are two divs here. I will give a margin so that both can be differentiated. For example, 10 pixel. I will refresh the page. These are the two divs. If I want it side by side, I will just use the display inline block. By default it is a block value for the display property. I have changed it to inline block. I will again refresh the page. So we have two divs now. If I want to convert this into a circle, for that purpose we are going to use the property called as border radius, and here I will give it 50%. I will save. I will refresh the page. So now the divs are being converted into the circles. We have used the CSS property called as border radius and we have given it 50%. We can also give different values here. For example, if I give 10%, it will just these corners of the div tag are being controlled with the help of this radius. Means we set the radius of the div tag here. So when we increase this radius, these corners will get more and more rounded. So currently I am using 50%. I am refreshing the page. The corners have been completely gone to the 50%. So it looks like a circle. So this is the trick for changing the div to a circle. I can also here just decrease the width and height. See, there are two circles now. Also further we can use the border shadow also to make the circle more better looking. I have already I have just copied it. Border shadow is the property. I will refresh the page here. See, now we can we are given a border here, so it looks great. Basic property is the border radius. For converting it to a circle, same we can give it for span. So this basic style can be applied to various other elements. We have used for demonstration purpose div. For the div tag, we have applied the class to both these div tags. So this is what we learned today, how to make circle with the help of CSS. Hope you have understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching.